Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on seeing your entire purchase history on Roblox Mobile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. It's possible to see a list of your entire purchase history on Roblox, even for items you got for free. Here is how you can do it on mobile. It's not possible to see it within the Roblox app, so you have to open up a web browser instead and go to roblox.com. On this landing page, tap Continue in Browser. You'll now need to log in to your Roblox account if you're not already signed in. Once you're logged into your account, tap the Robux icon at the top right of the screen. On the drop-down menu, tap where it says your current Robux balance. This will load your Robux summary page. Tap on the My Transactions tab. This shows a list of all of your purchases made on Roblox, including your free purchases ordered by date. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Roblox tips and tricks.